Olive oil and mint are two natural ingredients that have been used for centuries, both individually and in combination, for their numerous health and culinary benefits. Here is a description of their individual benefits. Olive oil. 1. Heart health. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart-healthy properties. It is high in monounsaturated fats. 2. Antioxidant power. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and polyphenols. 3. Skin and hair care. This natural oil can be used topically to moisturize and nourish the skin and hair. 4. Weight management. Olive oil's healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied. Mint. 1. Digestive aid. Mint has a soothing effect on the digestive system. It can alleviate symptoms of indigestion. 2. Breath freshener. Mint's natural menthol content gives it a refreshing taste and makes it an effective natural breath freshener. 3. Stress reduction. The aroma of mint is known to have stress-reducing properties.